Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a DeepSeek account. So first we're going to go to the DeepSeek app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then as you can see you have three methods to sign up with. Either your Google account, your Apple account, or you can continue with your password. I personally choose my Apple account. Then once you insert your Touch ID, they're going to create an account for you. So as you can see, we've created the account. Then you guys can continue with your browsing. It's such a helpful AI, so use it as much as you want. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.